Welcome to our FMS review, version 3, F4U Corsair, maiden flight.
0% throttle.
Taxiing.
We've got our experienced pilot Costa on the sticks. He's going to show us how it's flown, how it's done.
Gear down. Gear up. Flaps up. Five.
Afterburner?
Yeah, I didn't take it off.
Beautiful. Look at this beauty, man. Smooth as. It's just like one of those, you know. Oh, I like that. Yeah, do it again. I had it set up on my other models. We got full speed pass.
This is on 6S too, by the way. Next one will be 8S.
100% full afterburner.
Flying with gyro. Give her a loop.
Nice.
Bit of a roll.
3 minutes.
Inverted? Another day.
Inverted flight.
Oh, there you go. Now where are you off to now? Vietnam? Huh? I'm nearly 5 minutes on my camera.
Yeah, I got a 5-minute timer. Might get ready for landing.
Yeah. I can do the gear down
We've
now.
got 2 minutes.
Gear down.
Gear pass.
Whoop.
Scared you there for a minute, didn't I?
Trying some bush flying.
Flaps down, take off.
Anyway, you can land.